And this year, sandstorms in North China have increased. These storms are a contamination problem and also agriculture. To meet this challenge, the country is transforming desert areas into the pastures and forests. And who will tell us about it is TVT's correspondent in China, Mauro Ramos.
China aims to restore almost 6,700,000 hectares of desert areas with grassland and forests by 2025. One of the goals of fighting desertification in China is to ensure the country's food security. Per capita, arable land is only 0.08 hectares, which is less than a third of the OECD average of 0.27. According to FAO data, Inner Mongolia, which is home to large deserts and sandy lands, has been leading the country's effort against desertification from 2012 to 2022. The autonomous region planted more than 8 million hectares of trees and more than 19 million hectares of grassland.
There are two main aspects of restoring lands degraded by desertification. Firstly, it requires local sources of native seeds that are suitable and sufficient for ecological restoration in order to meet ecological needs of the specific region. Secondly, it depends on data, such as soil, water, and plants. Data helps determine the climatic conditions and plant communities suitable for a given latitude and longitude, providing guidance for restoration efforts. Therefore, based on local native seed sources and data-driven systems, we have been able to guide ecological restoration in grasslands, deserts, and mines, achieving long-term ecological sustainability.
The battle against desertification also aims to reduce pollution levels in the country. This year, sandstorms have become more widespread, longer, and more frequent in China, mainly affecting the country's northern regions and provinces. The dust from these storms contains environmental pollutants and microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, and viruses.
We use native plants suitable for the local ecological environment to provide comprehensive solutions. The aim is to solve ecological problems through ecological methods, thus desertification control, especially in arid and semi-arid areas, aims to create a frontier to stop the spread of desertification, rather than turn it into an oasis. We use native plants suitable for the local environment to create this boundary, preventing the spread of desertification and achieving the vegetation expansion effect that pushes the desert back.
Wuliangsu Lake is located in the city of Bayangnur and is the largest wetland in the Yellow River Basin, the second longest in China. Lakes in arid and semi-arid regions play an important role in maintaining the balance of regional ecosystems, which contributes to preventing land desertification and thus reducing sandstorms. Wuliangsu functions as an environmental protection to control the sources of sandstorms. From 2020 to 2022, a restoration project in the region aimed to transform more than 8,000 hectares of saline alkali soils into arable land in Urat front banner. That is one of the recovered soils. Banners are one of the Inner Mongolia's administrative divisions. There, peasants grow wheat and pepper. This is called intercropping and is an agroecological practice that helps to prevent insect attack, among other advantages. The pepper is destined for the market and wheat is for the family self-consumption. Agriculture and livestock farming in Bayangnur are very important and serve as a key industry. Bayangnur has always been a farming and livestock-oriented area. For local peasants, agriculture is a crucial source of income. In addition, livestock farming in Bayangnur is well developed. Livestock farming, especially sheep breeding, allows for year-round production.
Our goal is not only to restore and protect grasslands for contemplation purposes only, but also to achieve the integration of production, livelihood, and ecology. This is in line with the concept of community of shared future for humanity as proposed by the General Secretary, where animals, plants, and humans share a common home.
From TVT in China for teleSUR, Mauro Ramos.